After 50, many men quietly suffer from leg pain, aching calves, heavy legs, or cramps that wake them up at night. But here's the truth. It's not just aging. Leg pain is your body's way of saying, take care of your circulation, nutrition, and daily habits. In this video, you'll learn the hidden causes of leg pain and natural ways to relieve it without any medicine. Let's start with the hidden causes that most men never talk about. Poor blood circulation. With age, blood flow slows down. Your legs don't get enough oxygen, causing cramps and fatigue. Low magnesium and potassium. These minerals relax muscles. Deficiency can cause stiffness, spasms, or that pins and needles feeling. Dehydration. Thick blood and poor hydration reduce oxygen supply to your legs. Varicose veins and nerve compression. Sitting too long or lack of movement can trap blood in the lower legs, causing swelling and pain. What you eat plays a huge role in healing your legs naturally. Here are the top foods that improve circulation and reduce pain. Bananas and avocados, rich in potassium, great for relaxing leg muscles. Spinach and leafy greens boost magnesium levels and support healthy blood vessels. Fish like salmon or sardines are loaded with omega-3s that reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Garlic and ginger act as natural blood thinners, protecting against clots and varicose veins. Hydration tip: drink warm water with a pinch of Himalayan salt in the morning. It balances electrolytes and prevents cramps. Now, let's fix those daily habits that can help your legs recover faster. Warm oil massage before bed. Use castor oil or sesame oil. It improves blood flow and reduces stiffness. Hot and cold therapy. Alternate between warm and cool compresses for 10 minutes each. It boosts circulation and reduces swelling. Avoid long sitting. If you sit for long hours, stand and stretch every 45 minutes. Small breaks make a big difference. Elevate your legs. Lie down and place a pillow under your feet for 15 minutes daily. It helps veins drain and refreshes tired legs. Sleep smart. Avoid crossing your legs while sleeping. It restricts blood flow. Your legs carry you through life, every step, every moment. They deserve care, not pain. With just a few daily habits and natural foods, you can improve blood flow, ease pain, and feel young again. Take the first step today. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, like, share it with a friend over 50, and subscribe to Seniors Health Groom for more natural health wisdom.